Hello, I'm Jeff. Today, we will talk about situations in which you can change the order of a sentence. First, let's look at negative adverbs. Examples of negative adverbs are seldom, little, rarely, never, barely, or hardly ever. When we use these negative adverbs, they usually follow the subject. For example, I never tell my mom lies. Or, he rarely leaves his apartment. If you wanted to, you could move the negative adverb to the beginning of a sentence. And this would change the focus of that sentence. So instead of saying, for example, I never tell my mom lies, you can put the negative adverb never in the front of that sentence, making never I tell my mom lies. Wait, that's wrong. We need to add the helping verb do, and that makes the sentence never do I tell my mom lies. Perfect. That sounds a lot better. We've rearranged the sentence and rearranged it properly. And because never is in the front of that sentence, we've changed the focus. That's where the focus of the sentence is. Now, if you said this, you're emphasizing the fact that you never do something. You never tell your mom lies. Never do I tell my mother lies. Now, let's change the order of the sentence. He rarely leaves his apartment. How would you change it? Well, first, move the negative adverb rarely to the front of the sentence. Then, add the helping verb does. And that makes it, rarely does he leave his apartment. Excellent. Okay, let's try changing a sentence in reverse. How would you change the sentence? Barely does he eat. Okay, first, put the subject in the front of the sentence. Then remove the helping verb does. And the answer is, he barely eats. Perfect. So far, our examples have been in the present tense. Let's try one in the past tense. For example, Mary seldom ate breakfast. Is the right answer, seldom did Mary ate breakfast? No. Since we already have the word did in the past tense, the word ate should be eat. The right answer is, seldom did Mary eat breakfast. Great work. Now you know how to change the order of a sentence so that you can put the focus on the negative adverb. Second now, let's look at adverbs of location. Examples of adverbs of location include above the city, off the coast, and along the river. Usually adverbs of location go at the end of a sentence. For example, Table Mountain sits above the city. Now you can put above the city, this adverb of location, in the front of the sentence. Okay, then to change it, you'd have to put the verb sits in the middle. And that makes the sentence, above the city sits Table Mountain. Perfect. And that's all you have to do. So, how do you change the order of the sentence? Green Island is off the coast. Is the answer off the coast is Green Island? Yes, it is. Perfect. Okay, let's see if we can change the order of a sentence once again, but this time in reverse. How would you change the order of along the river runs the path? Is it runs the path along the river? No, we forgot to put the verb in the middle. The right answer is the path runs along the river. Let's try to do it one more time. How would you change the order of the sentence, around the corner is the convenience store? First, which part is the adverb of location? Right, it's around the corner. So, put that at the end of a sentence. So what's the right answer now? The convenience store is around the corner. Perfect. Great work, everyone. With that, though, our grammar is all done. We've discussed everything we needed to do in this lesson. But it was great learning along with you guys, and we'll see you next time.